Well, here today we're going to show you how to clean your candy masks. I have a candy mask here, I have a rag, and I have a bowl just in the kitchen sink. And I have some hand soap. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're just going to take some warm water. I'm going to put some in the bowl here and put this in the bottom of the sink. Now we can use a rag to help clean the mask as well, or you can also use your hand. I personally kind of like the rag because it helps bring out, the dirt, bacteria, and viruses, or whatever's kind of the mugginess that's in your mask. And I also use hand soap. I prefer hand soap over detergent because hand soap is made of natural ingredients as opposed to chemical. And after all, we are putting the mask on our face, so I don't want to breathe in any types of chemicals. And there's actually a scientific approach to the reason why we use hand soap as well, but I'll get to that after. So, this candy mask has been worn for a few days. I'm just going to dip this in water. I'm gonna make the mask wet a little bit on all sides, and I'm just going to take a drop of soap in my hand, and I'm going to kind of put on the mask a little bit, and I'm just going to massage it a little bit everywhere properly to try to take out the dirt. Now, one thing about hand soap as well is the reason why it's such a kind of bacteria and virus annihilator. It's because hand soap has something called amphiphils inside the soap, and what this does, it interacts with bacteria, viruses. Basically, the virus has, call it a lipid type of envelope around it, and when soap interacts with lipids or grease, it actually punctures it, and it pierces through the germs or the viruses and kind of tears it apart. And that's why we use hand soap, basically, because it's a great virus annihilator. So I'm going to put a little bit on this side as well. I'm going to massage it a little bit everywhere. You might want to do this for longer. For the purpose of the video, I'm just trying to go quick. Okay, I might even take a little bit more warm water. And, I'm just going to rub it in everywhere so the soap interacts with any contaminants on the inside. I'll try to get my ear loops done as well. And try to get it as soapy as I can without putting too much soap. Now, as the soap interacts with the contaminants inside the mask, it tears these bacteria and viruses apart, and what we want to do is rinse them down the drain. So after that's done, I'm simply going to turn this on. I'm just going to rinse everything off properly. What I'm trying to do is the reason why we wash it by hand is I'm trying to be delicate with the filter inside. We have some medical grade filtration on the inside. That's why we don't put it in the washing machine, because we want to maintain the structure of the filter without having it being tossed in the washing machine too much. Oh, that burned my hand a little bit, so I'll turn that down. And once the soap is thoroughly out, I'm just going to wring it out a little bit. And after that's done, so basically the bacteria, viruses have interacted with the soap has pierced through any of the contaminants, and now they've been washed down the sink. I'll simply take it and I'll find a nice place later to hang it up to dry, and that'll be it. And washing your KandyMask is as simple as that. You know, on a personal level, I wash mine every few days because I'm not going out much, but the kids go to school, etc. So it's probably every day or two for them. And hang it up to dry, and then it's good to use again. Okay?